Do you know what goes nice with chicken curry or any curry for that matter? Mashed potatoes. And that is exactly what I am up to today. So let's get into it. No teary eyes. Yeah, getting the hang of this business. Smashing garlic. My favorite part of cooking. Just as I said, you know, the onions didn't affect me. I mean, look at it now. Oh my gosh. And I tell you, it's not my Temu lashes either or anything else. Garlic done. No fancy carrots today. I'm just gonna cut it nice and plain. And I already know that we are going to have leftovers for a, can you guess? Can you guess what we will make with the leftover curry and mash? Pastry puffs. Yeah. Let's saute this off. Yes, the chicken breast is still a little bit frozen, but because it's going into a curry, it's all good. And no slow cooking this time. Just going to cook it straight onto the stovetop. I'm going to cut this nice and little. Let's just do it all together, eh? Save some time. Our chicken in. Salt. It seems a lot, but it's really not. Pepper. Just love a good season. Love a good seasoning on our food. Let's go pork hunt for the win today. It's the bomb in chicken, straight up. It's the bomb in everything really, but chicken especially. And as always, a bit of sugar with your curry just to balance out that flavour. Our favourite curry paste. Got half a jar left, so I'm just going to use the whole lot. Pour some water into that. No waste. And coconut milk. Mix it all in. Oh man, how easy is that? Lid on that. Let's get into our mash. Is you going to try and help? Say hi everyone, my name is Bobby Gill. Thank you, darling. And don't worry, I will wash my hands before we continue to cook. Okay? Anyway, let's get into our potatoes. I remember discovering potato peeler for the first time when I first came to New Zealand, and I thought it was the greatest thing ever because as a kid we used the knife. You know, my darling still uses a knife. She's a great potato peeler. She reckons it was one of her jobs growing up. But this, what a great invention. No shade, but kids these days wouldn't even know what it's like to help around the house and not get paid for it. Just saying. Another cool find from my darling that she got off Temu. Last one. A little bit of salt in our potatoes. A little net. And whilst those are cooking, let's go outside and get a little bit of Vietnamese mint. Our garden's looking a little bit sad, but it is winter. So it is what it is, but Vietnamese mint is so nice inside curry. It freshens it up, but just subtly. We don't need too much. And I'm also going to grab a little bit for our garnish as well because it makes it look super pretty. Oh, it smells so amazing. If you haven't tried Vietnamese mint, they're super easy to grow and it's delicious. And of course, the gills. The girls always have to come out and be nosy and see what I'm doing. Chop this up super fine. Oh yeah, add that in. Oh man, so good, can't wait. Let's put it on. Just gonna do a quick taste test. Oh, perfect. Our potatoes are ready. Butter, lots of it. This is how I make my mash, for us anyway. Just butter, nothing else, but however you like to do your mash, you do that. And because we had already salted the water when it was getting boiled, usually it flavors the potatoes anyway, so you don't need to add more salt. Look at that. Quick taste test. Yeah, perfect. Oh, so good. So good. And I'm just going to make a little sitcho in the middle there for our curry to sit in. Look at how good it turned out. Bit of garnish on top. Look at that. Oh, how hearty is that meal though. And it smells amazing. Now, you all know the drill. This one here is for my darling, so I'm going to serve that to her. And I'm going to taste this. See, every time, right? Every time. Taste test this one for you guys. All right? And for me, as always, I just got to. I just got to. Cayenne pepper, that is. Because I like the ain't burn. A bit of everything. Enough talking. Let's get to eating.